All right, in today's episode, we're gonna be messing around with these Jeep door handle bedazzlers. I'm sure you've seen over on Amazon or eBay, a lot of these stuff for like 20 bucks. So we got a set, decided to see how it'll work out. So let's see what we got. All right, so pretty much these things. And I got some screws, so it looks like all you're gonna need is a Phillips head screwdriver. And go ahead and get these installed. Boys and girls, there you have it. You got some cool new bedazzler door handle thingies. You know, the only downside is that they didn't have 3M tape behind it, so drilling it, I mean, it might be helpful if you had two people, but besides that, I mean, they look pretty good. I'm sure they'll look new on a brand new Wrangler with a faded plastic that doesn't totally give up the color, but you know, I think it looks pretty good. Stay tuned for more Euro Auto Sport videos.